Hello, I'm your host, Tristan Lacroix.
And I'm your host, Brian Oliveira. And welcome to Vrara in the News.
And today we're stepping into the wilds of J.K. Rowling's Fantastic Beasts, talking about Intel's Project Alloy, and discover Avegant, the world's first personal theater with retinal imaging for VR.
Plus, we will talk about Google Tango's release in Lenovo's Phab 2 Pro, which is the world's first Tango-enabled smartphone, and much more. We have some awesome stuff coming up, so please stick around.
Stick around.
We're going to show you how you can step into J.K. Rowling's magical world of witchcraft and wizardry with a new...
Wait! Don't tell me. I can finally get on my Hogwarts GED online?
Someday, Sammy. Someday.
I've waited this long.
So, Fantastic Beasts and where to find them. Rowling's new movie set in the American wizarding world has partnered with Google's new virtual reality platform, Daydream VR.
The Daydream View VR headset is ideal for getting up close and personal with some of the virtual Fantastic Beasts. Although the experience isn't a full-on game for Google's new gadget, it does offer a nice glimpse of what it would be like inside the movie's world. A motion-controlled remote functioning as an in-game magic wand allows you to open chests and scrolls and cast spells just like you've always dreamed.
Yes! Now we can finally do it without looking like a weirdo running around in the park.
Okay, hold on, Brian.
Yes?
You know LARPing is how I express myself.
Sorry, Sammy.
I invite you to every single week to come and hang out with my clan.
Anyway,
This is a
Intel's
test.
Project Alloy offers a wire-free experience with the ability to track its surroundings. Users will be able to move about inside a room without crashing into things because the headset spots obstacles and mimics them in the virtual world.
Now, if only there was something to stop me from crashing into things in real life, right?
You mean spatial awareness? Project Alloy is even able to detect the wearer's hands so they can interact with the virtual world minus controllers or gloves. Users can open virtual doors by simply reaching out and doing it as if they were really there in real life. This is largely thanks to Intel's RealSense cameras, which are able to sense depth and 3D model the world in detail. In other news, Avegant is the world's first personal theater with retinal imaging for VR. You can watch or stream any type of existing media, including an immersive 360-degree experiences and side-by-side 3D in amazing detail.
Oh, wow, that's cool. In other news, the Lenovo Phab 2 Pro is the world's first smartphone to include Google's Tango, a new technology that enables augmented reality gaming and utilities. You'll be able to see objects and information overlaid with the real world. Super exciting.
Alright, so, the culture side of VR. Viri. Ver. The Matrix. Just some hip names I've been trying out. Maybe they'll catch on. Hi, my name is Samuel Swords, and I'll be a recurring guest host for VR AR News. Anyways, visitors to the Westfield World Trade Center will be able to experience virtual reality this month at a virtual arcade exhibition by Tribeca Enterprises. The virtual arcade will feature 4 works. Invasion by Boabab Studios, Invisible, created by Born Identity and The Edge of Tomorrow's director, Doug Lehman, Kids, a One Republic music video, and K.A. The Battle Within, a martial arts story by Cirque du Soleil. Man, Cirque du Soleil, that's like my favorite circus. Moving on, Magic Leap has been called the world's most secretive startup. It has received $1.4 billion in investment so far from major companies like Google, JP Morgan, and Warner Brothers, despite not even having released a beta version of its product. But Magic Leap has just applied for a patent on its own VR headsets, which should deliver neurologically true visual perception, or an experience indistinguishable from the real world. This is exciting for film lovers, since New Zealand-based Weta Workshop, responsible for the special effects of The Lord of the Rings, Trilogy, and Avatar. But on top of changing the way we watch movies, Magic Leap's technology has the potential for huge advancements in medical research.
Instagram has announced that it is testing a shopping feature that would allow users to purchase items they see on Instagram directly on the app. It's It's currently available to a limited group of iOS users in the US, and 20 retail brands already, including Kate Spade and Warby Parker, will participate in the initial testing phase. Instagram will also test other features, such as product recommendations and the option to save items to buy later.
Okay, well that's nice, but they'll never be able to put a price on the deep quotes and sunset pics I take every day. Come on.
They're truly priceless.
You're so mean. And on the more techie side of things...
Isn't it all techie?
It's all techie.
Okay, the mostly techie side of things. Mozilla is moving forward with their WebVR-enabled browser from Google, as well as a pilot program, both in Q1 of 2017. Mozilla's new experimental high-performance web browser, Servo, will implement the WebVR's APIs. So super exciting.
Oculus will support WebVR through Carmel, their WebVR browser, and new progressive web apps are launching WebGL games as native apps using Electron. Electron is a framework for creating native applications with web technologies. These emerging technologies are enabled via blockchain, like the IPFS distributed web, and might be the next steps for widely accessible VR.
Okay, guys, we gotta go. Our clan has a quest in like 10 minutes, so...
Are you going with him? Okay, well, that's all right. You know, that's all we have for the episode of Vrara in the News. Thank you so much.